As long as I can remember, I've been working with my hands. As a young child, I visited my grandfather. He was a woodworker and a whittler, and he inspired me to be creative and inspired me to move forward with my design career. Hi, my name is Andrew Kopp, and I am the design manager for Signature Hardware. I design products that bring luxury to everyone's day-to-day, from bathroom vanities to kitchen faucets and everything in between. When I'm designing, the most important part is to start with a sketch. It starts off rough. It's just an outline, it's the form, it's the shape, it's the main structure. And then, after I've kind of figured out what kind of shape this product should be, I start refining those details, drawing in the details of the handles and the texture of the doors, different sorts of details to hone in on what that design and that product could be and even what its function is. Once I'm happy with a sketch, I move on to modeling the product in a 3D software. I believe that I'm most inspired by my surroundings, my environment, the things I've experienced in the past. I've lived in Rhode Island, I've lived in Brooklyn, New York, I now live in the Midwest. All of these experiences inspire the work that I do. Another more direct inspiration is architecture. Architecture is a beautiful thing. There are a lot of gorgeous buildings and bridges out there, styles depending on the generation or century that they were created. I find that those styles can be useful in extracting form and shape and function and then reinserted into furniture and products that really tie together a design. Lastly, fashion influences what I do when I create. What happens in fashion one year typically will reemerge a year or two down the road, and I like to stay on top of those trends so that I can anticipate and watch for new trends developing within the home. The most rewarding part of my job is seeing the product come to life, whether it be in photography or social media. I really enjoy seeing how the customers are using the product in their home on a day-to-day basis. It's really cool knowing that what I created is being used every single day to make people's lives better.